अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। मैं आपको दोस्ती चाइनीज़ रुकिया हूँ। आज मैं आपको चाइना में एक मुस्लिम एरिया को एक गांव मतलब विलेज दिखाते हो। मैं बताऊंगा कि लोग क्या करते हैं उस गांव में, उनका लाइफस्टाइल कैसी है। चाइना में मोस्टली लोग इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक्स इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फीस इज़ नॉट दैट हाई इन चाइना। आज हम इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक में जा रहे हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली बैटरी वाज लो, सो वी हैव टू put the bike somewhere and then go by walk. मेरी दादी दादा नानी नाना उस विलेज में रहती है, so this video was made when we visited her. ये गांव की मरकज़ी सड़क है। It's so neat and clean. रोज़ाना लोग अपने ख़ानदान के रिलेटेड एरिया साफ़ करते हैं। It's always clean like this. No matter you come today, you come next year, it will be clean and neat. आज हम एक कोल्ड डिश खाऊंगी। पहले वाला this is called liang fen. It's a Chinese word. And she's going to cut cucumbers. If she has moolies, she's going to cut moolies and then mix with the liang fur and some other noodles together. They will have special sauce. She's going to mix the sauces and the different types of noodles well and then serve to us. It's gonna be sour and spicy, a little bit spicy, and it just costs 4 RMB. मतलब एक युआन एक RMB तकरीबन 40 rupees. So we are 2 people. It's going to cost 8 RMB, total 320 rupees. It is very popular cold dish in this area. Mostly the young ladies or young boys, they love to eat. If they go to the commercial areas or go to the bazaar, they must have to eat this dish. If they didn't have this dish, they feel like they didn't go to bazaar. This is a shopkeeper. She's controlling the shop all on herself. It's ये छोटी business है, but a बड़ा profitable business. She even can support her family with this little business. अभी हम शुरू करेंगे। हम chopstick इस्तेमाल करेंगे। Chopsticks are free. Whenever you go to any restaurants or any small shops, they will provide chopsticks for free. Mazagi, yes, बहुत मज़ेदार है। थोड़े से spicy मिर्चा, but it's so delicious. It costed 8 RMB. Now हम पे करूँगा। Now हम कैसे पे करूँगा? इधर से एक QR कोड है, हम स्कैन करेंगे, फिर enter the amount of money then pay. 8 RMB मतलब 320. Next station is a tofu. This is tofu skin and called tofu pea. It's another popular street food in this area. And one piece of tofu is 1 RMB मतलब 40 rupees, and एक naan 2 RMB 80 rupees. You can have chicken, you can have sausage, you can have mushrooms and jiucai or another some vegetables. They have their special ingredients on it. Some people have this tofu pea for lunch and it's all halal. You don't have to worry about this. And at the same way, scan the QR code, enter the amount of money, and pay. It's easy and simple, and it's the fastest way to pay in China. In some cities, you even can scan your face without your mobile, without cash, without bank card. You can pay with your face scan. And this is the grocery store, or I can say a small supermarket in this village. These are the sweets, one piece, 1 RMB, matlab 40 rupees, and stanghulu, and this is a naan. This naan is a bit different from Pakistani's naan. It's a little bit crispy and it can be stored more than 3 or 4 days. And we can put them in the fridge or put them in the room anywhere and it will be stored. And whenever we want, we can eat them. And this store inside. These are the hot pot meatballs, different colors, different shapes, and different tastes. And these are the hot pot masalas. And here are the ingredients and like chiji, yeah, the candies, lollipops, chocolates. Here is my favorite snack that's called latiao snack. If you go to China, please must try it. And my favorite chocolates are here. And here is zira and peanut. And this is um, lal mirch. It's called lal mirch, but it's not that spicy. And these are the vegetables. We have different shimla mirch, green shimla mirch and red shimla mirch. Our tomatoes are different from Pakistani tomatoes. And here are the different types of masalas for noodles, for chicken, and this is a cabbage, the big one, and pumpkin. This is all. आज हम ये चीज़ परचेज़ करूँगा 2 पैक ऑफ vinegar, black vinegar, 2 मूली and 2 गाजर, and it costed around 18 RMB, matlab 720 rupees. What do you think? Is it okay or too expensive? And we had some sweets as well. And here is watermelon. Watermelon is available all the time throughout the year. आज का एक्सपेंस 2200 होगी, मतलब 55 RMB. We had street food, we had sweets, and these vegetables. It's 55 RMB, 2200 रुपये. अभी हम वडा मार्केट में जा रही है. अभी हम शॉपिंग करेंगे, कपड़ा मंगवाऊंगी. We are going to buy some clothes from the market, a big market. This is a taxi. ये टैक्सी 5 RMB, मतलब 200 चार्ज करेंगी अगर हम ये टैक्सी में बाज़ार जाना. So if we go to bazaar by taxi, we have to pay 5 RMB, 200 rupees. This is the commercial area of this village. It's always clean, always neat, but a bit boring today because nobody on the road. Yeah, maybe because of the cold weather. Sometimes it can be -12, -14 in this area. And this is a red light, traffic light. There is nobody, but there is camera. Whenever we see the red light, we have to stop, no matter there is a traffic police or not. अभी हम उस विलेज में मरकज़ आ गए. ये देखो, it's a little bit like a city. This is a city area, the center of this village. Nowadays, the shop's business is not very well because most of the people like to shop online, and people don't have time to go to bazaar and shop from the stores. They can buy good quality things online as well. We visited many shops and we got hungry. हम भूख लगे अभी ये naan है ये भी naan different types of naan. This is dough naan, milk naan, and this is corn naan. It's from corn flour, the original corn flour. So it's 5 RMB. One naan is 5 RMB, मतलब 200 रुपये. ये corn naan बीमार वास्ता और blood pressure वास्ता बहुत अच्छा है. So we love to eat the corn naan with yogurt. We mix with yogurt. In that dabba there is yogurt. One dabba yogurt 5 RMB. 5 mean मतलब 200 रुपये. And this naan, as I told you, 5 RMB each. You can store as long as you want. And the same way, we're going to scan the QR code, enter the amount of money, and pay the bill. चाइना में हम कैश नहीं रखेंगे हमारे पॉकेट में. अभी हम भूख लगी है सो हम समोसा खाओगी. अंदर में गोश्त पे आओ, प्याज पे आओ, थोड़े से नमक ज़ीरा पे आओ, फिर बहुत मज़ा होगी. So now we're going to pay. Scan the code, enter the amount of money, and pay press. It's so easy. मेरा दादी दादो भी पे कर सकते इधर. They have the mobile, they scan and enter the amount of money. But you have to have money in your bank account as well, because you have to connect the WeChat Pay with your bank account and then you can pay. हम दूसरा कमर्शियल एरिया में जा रही है क्योंकि हम कुछ भी नहीं मिगवाने अभी. So we're going to buy something clothes. Now let's go. Usually there is no space to park, but today nobody on the street, so we were so happy because we can park our car anywhere. And this is another shopping area, shopping center. हम ये बिल्डिंग में अंदर जा रही है. मैं आज आपको ये भी दिखाती हूँ. Let's go. This is the entrance, a small entrance. ये भी पुराना बिल्डिंग है. पुराना बिल्डिंग मतलब 10-15 साल का बिल्डिंग. उस विलेज को सारा लोगों ये शॉपिंग सेंटर बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि सारा चीज़ एक शॉपिंग सेंटर में मिल जाएंगी. The price is reasonable as well. It's like 30, 40, 50, maximum 80 RMB. आज का काम मुकम्मल होगी, so हम वापस जा रही हैं. What do you think about China? Is it expensive to live in China, or it's okay, it's acceptable? Tell me in the comment section. And is there any other easy ways to pay in Pakistan? So sometimes I forget to have cash in my pocket, so what should I do? And what do you think about the WeChat Pay in China? Is it easy? Is it convenient? Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye bye.